Vanakkam. Good evening. I take this opportunity to extend my hearty welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today for the 11th Annual Day Concert of Primrose Schools. As you all know, this is one of the biggest events of our school, and our children have put their heart and soul in making this day a grand success. No event is well begun without invoking the blessings of our Divine Mother. May I now request you all to kindly stand for the teacher's prayer followed by the student's prayer. We may do exactly what you want us to do. We pray to Thee to us a genuine interest for our children. We pray to Thee, fill us with your love that never runs dry, so that we may be nothing but instruments of your love to our children and to all around us. We pray to Thee, our children, better and better, more and more every day. We pray to Thee to help us use of all the energies that are in us. We pray to Thee to help us presence in all our thoughts, feelings and actions. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Students pray. Guide me in all I do and say, at home, at school and at play. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Mother bless, Mother guide, Mother protect. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, my dear children. You can all be seated now. I now invite two student representatives to deliver the welcome address.
In various spheres of counseling. It is such a great pleasure to have you here, ma'am. Also, I'm overwhelmed to say that she was the head girl of the Baldwin Girls High School during 1962 to 1968 and the president of the Dramatics and Choir Club.
So on behalf of everyone gathered here, we extend a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming.
I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome our chairman, Mr. Nandagopal, and his wife, Mrs. Madaneshwari Nandagopal, to the function.
I would also love to welcome our dear director, Ms. Sindhura Aravind. Thank you so much for coming to the annual day concert, ma'am.
We must also welcome our beloved and respected principal, Mr. Ganesh, in our midst.
And we shouldn't forget, did you forget something?
I think so.
We forgot to welcome our students.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Thank you so much for coming here, students, and our dear parents and our staff. Thank you so much for taking a keen part in this program.
Let me welcome you all once again, and please sit back, relax, and enjoy the lineup of sensational events ready to be performed by my fellow friends.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, girls. That was Marshini and Janani from class 12. Up next, we have the invocation dance by the students of class 8, 10, 11 and 12. Sit back and enjoy.
ಧೀಂ ತದರೆ ದನಿ ಧೀಂ ತದ దని ధిం తదరే దని ధిం తన దరే నా పరే రే సా సా రే ని ని సా సా రే దని పా పరే రే సా సా రే ని ని సా సా రే దని పా మా రే రే సా రే ని సా రే మా రే రే సా రే ని సా రే సా సా ఆనం తరం తం తరానం 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 ఆనం తరం తం తరానం 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 తం తరానం తం తరానం తం తరానం తరానం తం తరానం తం తరానం 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 తరానం
Thank you, girls, for mesmerizing us with that beautiful performance. The next event is honoring the dignitaries on the stage. May I now request our beloved principal, sir, to accompany all the dignitaries to the stage, please. It is now time to welcome all the dignitaries. May I request Purvi Nayak of Class 2A to honor our chairman, Mr. Nandagopal, with a bouquet. He is seated down. Purvi Nayak, can you please give our chairman the bouquet, please? A big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I...
The charm of Purvi has made the chairman to come onto the stage. Give them a big hand. Give her a big hand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May I now request Akshara of Class 2 to honor Mrs. Madaneshwari Nandagopal with a bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Preeta of Class 5 to hand over a bouquet to our chief guest. Preeta of Class 5. Thank you, Arundhati, ma'am. May I now request Catherine to give the bouquet for our beloved director, ma'am, Miss Sindhura Arvind. Thank you, ma'am. I now request Amrita of Class 7 to hand over the bouquet to our beloved principal, sir, Mr. Ganesh Perumal. Thank you, Amrita. Thank you. I thank all the dignitaries on stage and they deserve a big round of applause. Yes, they definitely do. We will now be releasing the souvenir for the year 2016-17. Mr. Chairman will release the first copy of the souvenir 2016-17, to our chief guest, Mrs. Arundhati Swami. May I now request our chairman and our chief guest to come forward to release a souvenir. Chairman sir is releasing the first copy of the souvenir. A big round of applause, please. Mrs. Arundhati Swami is receiving the first copy of the souvenir from our beloved chairman, Mr. Nandagopal. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Let us now move on to the awards for the evening. The first category of awards is the awards for academic excellence. This includes the subject toppers. May I request Mrs. Madaneshwari Nandagopal to kindly come forward and honor the award winners. We will start with class 1A. Sanadana is a sub-class topper for English, Math and EVS. Sanadana H. Please give a big round of applause for these tiny ones. That definitely makes their day. We have Ashmita G for Language 2 Tamil. Ashmita G. A big round of applause, please. Audience, please keep clapping. That really makes our tiny ones happy. Please, please keep clapping. Thank you, audience. Thank you so much. Iram Ahmed is the topper for Language 2 Hindi. That is little Iram. Bala Mukundan C is the topper for Computer Science. Okay, we will move on to Karunya. Karunya is the topper for Language 3 Hindi. Karunya of class 1A. We will move on to class 1B. Agniba Roy is a class topper for English, EVS and Computer Science. That is Agniba Roy. Kevin Daniel is the class topper for Language 2 Tamil. Double up, Kevin. And the little charmer, Purvi Nayak, is the topper for Language 2 Hindi. Dheeraj Krishna is the topper for Math. That's Dheeraj. We will move on to class 1C. Lakshman Aditya is the topper for English, Math, EVS and Language 3 French. Lakshman Aditya. Pranav Raj is a topper for Computer Science. Pranav Raj. We will move on to class 2A. Rishi is the topper for English, Math, EVS, Computer Science and Language 2 Tamil.